This is the trading review for Monday, the 16th of October 2023. And we open in the gray area. So in a day like this, I expect an open reject reverse. And we had a gap as well. So I could have played the gap long. If we open past the pre-market, we actually drop all the way down to S3, which is nice. But I missed out on that trade. I had technical issues with the computer today. So I was just waiting for a good trade. I saw this selling pressure here just above the R3 pivot. But I was expecting a hammer or at least a better form doji to make an entry. But I guess the area is just just if not more important than well, the signal is important. It's just that um, taking them in this area is also very important. And we had a hammer on the 5, and this price action was very weird. It wasn't the best. It kind of behaved like an open reject, but ended up just holding the previous day close. We didn't actually trade back into the open price, but we rejected R3 times. It looked like we were trying to wedge up, but in this third time that we touched, we actually sold off and failed once again. I guess this was the last test, trying to break past the previous day close. But we found a lot of buyers at the pre-market low. I'm sorry, pre-market high, and ended up just shooting up to R4. And ended up, I'm sorry, to R just above R3, and we ended up the day closing above R3, which is a bit bullish. And I'm okay with not taking a trade, technical issues, but it was going to be difficult to trade it because there was no clear signal on the 2-minute candles. Um, we have some selling pressure here, so I guess trying to take it at R3 would have been a good opportunity, but very difficult to trade. And also for a long on this pullback at the open, you have to be very confident to take that trade. But a very strange open, kind of like an open drive because we failed to come back to the open price. So more like a gap long. We got back into yesterday's range, so it made the trade difficult for a short to try to get back outside the range. But it is what it is. No trades today. Um, but we did observe the market. Dealt with technical issues. Managed to before the opportunity. Did my best to prepare the pre-market. I guess we hit our goal by avoiding to take bad trades with 000, but that's perfectly fine. That's it for the trading review. We'll see if Tesla tries to bounce back from the gray area. But I think we're gonna have a choppy week on Tesla because we're pulling back from the drop at R3. So maybe we're gonna chop between S1 and R1 depending on how the economy looks. But so far it's been strong. And so maybe we can pull back a little, but I think we're gonna have inside days.